Welcome to Motor Vision, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. If you're a fan of futuristic, compact, and eco-friendly vehicles, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Microlino, the stylish electric microcar that's redefining urban mobility. The Microlino is not just another electric vehicle, it's a revolution in city commuting. Inspired by the classic BMW Isetta, this Swiss-made microcar combines retro charm with modern technology. It's designed for people who want an efficient, sustainable, and fun way to navigate crowded city streets without the hassle of a large vehicle. Let's start with the design. The Microlino features a unique front exiting door, giving it a distinctive and nostalgic look. Its compact size makes parking a breeze, even in the tightest spots. The LED lighting, minimalist aesthetics, and sleek curves add a modern touch while maintaining its retro appeal. Whether you're driving through narrow European streets or busy city roads, the Microlino is sure to turn heads. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Microlino is powered by an electric motor that delivers a top speed of around 90 km/h, 56 km, which is perfect for urban and suburban driving. It offers 3 battery options, 6 mAh, 10.5 mAh, and 14 mAh, giving you a range of up to 230 km, 143 miles on a single charge. Charging is quick and easy, with a standard household plug taking just 4 hours to fully charge the largest battery. For city dwellers, this means no more worrying about long charging times or range anxiety. Inside, the Microlino is surprisingly spacious for a microcar. It comfortably seats 2 people and offers a storage capacity of 230 liters, enough for groceries, a small suitcase, or even a weekend getaway bag. The interior is simple yet functional, featuring a digital display, a multifunction steering wheel, and a modern infotainment system. The focus is on efficiency and comfort, making every ride enjoyable. One of the biggest advantages of the Microlino is its sustainability. Being fully electric, it produces 0 emissions, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles. Additionally, its lightweight structure and efficient design contribute to lower energy consumption, reducing the overall carbon footprint. If you're looking for a stylish and responsible way to get around, the Microlino is a fantastic choice. Pricing for the 2025 Microlino is competitive, making it an affordable option for those who want an electric vehicle without breaking the bank. While the exact cost depends on the chosen battery pack and trim level, it's expected to be much more budget-friendly than larger EVs. With its low running costs and minimal maintenance, it's a smart investment for city commuters. So, is the 2025 Microlino the perfect city car? If you need a compact, fun, and eco-friendly ride, then the answer is yes. It brings together style, efficiency, and sustainability in a way that few other vehicles can. What do you think about this tiny electric wonder? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Vision for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, drive safe and stay inspired.